in half steps. So it's usually 1 or 2 half steps above and below your target note, one of the notes from the chord. And it can be any of the notes from the chord. So let me show you what it sounds like. So here's our very first chord. Let's say we want to chromatically enclose the C of this chord. You might play something like, rather than just playing the C, we can surround it chromatically and then land on it at a rhythmically intentional and appropriate time. So we can do this for any of the notes in this chord. Let's try it on A. Anything like that. You can get away with almost any kind of chromatic enclosure. Again, usually it's 1 or 2 half steps in either direction, but the exact way that you play those is really up to you and depends on the context of where you're coming from in the previous line. So let's use some chromatic enclosures in this section of Fly Me to the Moon and hear what they sound like.